So I got a special guest today. My son, Braden. He's helping me tonight. Braden, where are you?
Right here.
Come on over here. What are you doing?
Yummy.
Careful. Here's Braden. Say hello. How old are you, Braden?
8.
How long you been helping Daddy-O scrap?
About a year now?
Oh, it's been more than a year.
Well, maybe at least like 2.5 years, maybe.
What's your favorite thing to break down?
Ooh, that's hard. Transformers.
Transformers?
Yeah.
That's my favorite too. Well, we're in luck, Braden, because look what we got here. Get out of the way so they can see.
Uh-huh. Nice.
We've got some parking lot lights, some 400 watters, not the biggest ones in the world, but we're gonna
Good job.
we're gonna be breaking them down and checking the transformers to see if we've got some copper. They feel pretty light, honestly. I think they're gonna be aluminum, or at least half aluminum, half copper. But you don't know until you see, and we'll show you how we do that.
Dad, it might be one of those transformers where there's aluminum on top and then a little bit of copper under.
Right. Hey, hand me that drill. Actually, that drill. Yeah. So first off, I need to find. Oh man, I just grabbed it earlier.
What was it?
Another one of these. This is one of the problems of having too much stuff is you
Lose it.
lose it.
That's bad. Yeah, just like the other 250 red gloves you have.
Bear with us a moment while we find our tools.
So
Man,
you
I
said it
promise
was
you I had that, man.
pretty, so at least like,
Is it behind you on the floor?
oh, yep, right here.
Pull that bit off. Is it a 1/4 inch? Pull. Hard. Grrr, super strength. It's a hard one, huh?
Are you supposed to like yank it or twist
Yank it straight off. Yank it straight off.
Can't get it.
You get it.
Can't.
So,
No way.
if you can't get it, just go. Now pull it. Boom. Alright.
Oh,
So let's
I guess
see.
it just fell in.
Do you know which one we're gonna need for that? You know those transformers? Which one of these would fit?
Silver. I mean, red.
Twist it to the side. Bend it. Bend it. Yeah, there you go. Test
Was
it.
I
See
right?
it?
Was I right? Was I
I
right?
believe you are.
Yes, I was right.
He's good. I tell you what, he's real good.
Well, you're the good one who always goes to the scrapyard and then guesses the
Guess the exact weight
Yes.
somehow with a truck and a trailer? Yeah, I know.
Yeah, he said like 4,800.
Oh, it was 7,400 pounds and it was 7,420. Crazy. Just leave it in there. We'll put it up the end. Might be hard to get to that one. Let me see.
Thing does not budge.
Let me see.
It's very hard.
We need a breaker bar for that.
What is it?
I'll show you the breaker bar. I'll find it. Hold on. Of course, it's a mess in here.
What do you
It's
expect?
the blue and yellow bar. Is that in the back of the truck? Go check in the back of the truck. I believe it's in the back of the truck. You got a light? Where's the light? Where's that big light we just had? Oh, it's right there. Go grab it out of the truck.
You coming with?
No, you go grab it real quick.
Or you want to show me what a truck looks like?
Oh, yeah, we can do that.
Here, I got you.
Careful.
Oh, great.
Easy.
All right, let's go show them our beautiful truck.
the trailer. Not a big one, but not a small one. And here's the truck. Okay. Right here.
Yeah, one of those. Yep, I know exactly what you need a wrench or whatever it's called. A wrench.
It's actually a crowbar.
Or the pry door.
Pry bar, crowbar, whatever you want to call it.
Crowbar.
Close that door. It's cold. Getting cold. We're going to be in the negative wind chill.
South Dakota is going to feel like negative 60, Dad.
I know.
That's a whole difference.
We're in Tennessee, and it is going to be cold.
Like cold. Okay. Oh, like can I move?
Oh, it just came right off. Go ahead and undo that one. Here, how about you let me undo it and you start snipping the wires off. Okay? Might be stuck in there. We can get it in a minute. Here. You start snipping wires.
Alright, snips. There you are. So, like, right here.
As close to the transformer. These might be better. Put those in. Snip the wires on that end.
Oh, there's some wires.
I know, we gotta get a snip on that end and then pull right through.
You want me to just like cut straight through the middle?
Cut them the way you've been cutting them.
I can't get it. I'll just go ahead and start this.
If you don't have a pair of these Aviation Snips, I recommend it. You can get into real tight spots. They're nice and long, and I'll tell you what, they cut like butter, and they're spring loaded so that they come back and you don't have to open them up yourself and then squeeze. It helps your wrist out when you're doing a lot of transformers and other stuff. I'm used to using these Dikes. This is what I started out with, which, you know, worked great, but the Aviation Snips are by far way better than these. You don't have the same reach, and these are not spring loaded. You have to manually open and close. Really works your wrist out. If you can't get two at a time, just do one at a time.
Right. Nope, that came out.
Just do one at a time. Sometimes you can't get two.
Oh, three. One and last one. Not two,
Now,
but oh wait,
should be-
one more.
Should be able to pull it right through.
Alright.
Yep, there we go.
Nice.
And now,
What do I do with this?
got the transformers out.
You want me to go ahead and put the little
Just put them all in this one.
Alright, do you have to do that? I need the drill. Oh, wire has gotten destruction over here.
Wire
Wire.
can be
So,
cleaned up a little more. Let's do our scratch test
Wait, I want to do it
and
first.
show them. Gosh, we are overloaded with scrap right now. Don't have enough room in here. Right here. Right here.
Oh.
So we got a file, a simple file. Scratch it where you can see the copper.
Well, not. That might be copper. Watch out.
Here, let me see.
Oh, yeah, that's better right there. Here,
Where's my,
I can get it.
where's my razor blade? Are you gonna hold it, or you want me to hold it? It's heavy.
Hold it.
Watch out.
I can't see.
Yeah. Need to open it up. I don't know where my razor is.
Oh. That will work too.
I know. Hold on.
So we
Again, oh, here we go.
What?
Oof. Hey,
Oh, you found your razor blade? Alright, so slice that thing right through. It's not working. It's being messy. Oh, you got it. So, okay. You okay? Careful with
should
the
be
copper.
wearing gloves.
Don't.
Watch out. Alright, I'm putting the gloves on. Not, hold on. Hold on. Watch out. Wait. Until I clean it off. Where you can actually scratch it. Okay, scratch. Hard.
Oh, copper on top. Oh, wait, no.
You gotta get out of the way. You gotta get out of the way.
I don't want to scratch.
You're gonna scratch it hard so we can show the camera.
Oh.
See? Now scratch that one hard.
Can I use that?
Nope. Difficult angle.
Very difficult. That was just too big and thick. Just try and get that right there. Okay, now you're being right there.
Go from this side. Sorry, we're doing a little test run here. Getting him used to scratching it.
Got it.
Alright.
And
So what do we got?
Let me see. So we got that.
What color is it?
That is aluminum. This one.
No.
Wait, no, that's copper. This might be aluminum.
It's the same thing.
Oh, it is.
Do you not see the color? Scratch it. You scratched them. What's the color?
Pink.
Pink. What's pink?
Copper.
Copper.
So double copper.
Jackpot.
Jackpot. Whoop, 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 whoop. Jackpot. All right.
Copper. You see the pink? Copper. Nice. Now if all of them are like that, that would be great.
Yeah.
So,
Hey, Dad, can we start taking them to the scrapyard?
we always take them to the scrapyard. What are you talking about?
Well, I've never seen you video of them at the scrapyard.
Oh, take the audience to the scrapyard?
Yeah.
Oh.
Could we maybe do that?
So, copper, copper. Awesome. 2 for 2.
2 for 2. Is it going
We got
to
one.
be 3 for
You
3?
see how these look the same?
Yeah.
So anyone that looks like that's most likely copper.
Alright, so let me feel.
But this one,
Let me
we
feel.
gotta check it.
I can tell, wait.
It doesn't.
pretty sure.
I don't know. To me, this one feels like it's aluminum and copper. But we shall see. I may be wrong.
Aluminum. So
Yep,
aluminum.
That's aluminum. What about
Scratch
the other
harder
one?
for the audience. Here.
Keep scratching hard. Hard.
And aluminum.
Aluminum.
Darn.
But
There might
I'm
be
still
some
gonna
copper
break it
in
open because there are transformers. See the difference? That's aluminum. It's not pink. I mean, they all look like copper before you scratch it. I guess it's for extra conductivity for the electricity. But once you scratch underneath, that's how you can tell. But I have come across coils that when you scratch it on the outside, it's aluminum. But I go by the weight once I get them broken down out of the transformer. And there are some that I've been like, well, this doesn't feel like copper. It's not heavy like a copper one, but it's not light like an aluminum one. So I investigated further, and turns out on the inside, let me find one that's already broken down.
Do you need one of these or something?
Hold that. Okay, no, it broke off.
You want me to grab the big one?
No. So, here's a coil out of the transformer. I turn them in like this. Some people get number 2. Unfortunately, my yard gives me number 3 electric motor wire, which is not big of a difference. It's about $2.85 a pound right now, which is not bad. Number 2 is $3, so 15 cents a pound difference. If you would burn these off, which I don't really recommend, it's nasty. It's not good for the environment. But if you burn them down and get all this crap off of there, then they'll give you number 2 all day. Just depends on your yard. So call around, see what the prices are. If one yard has a number 2 price, but it's a lower price than the number 3, like I go to the yard that gives me number 3, but the price is higher than another yard that does number 2. So obviously I'm going to go to the one that has the higher price. Just check your yard. But back to the coils. You know, you scratch test it, you think it's aluminum, but you look further and it feels heavier than aluminum. There will be a central core of aluminum wire in there. And I take a big thing of cable cutters and just cut one side, cut the other side, and then you can whack it with a hammer. I wish I had one to show you. But you whack it with a hammer and it basically separates that inner copper core from the outer aluminum. And it's worth breaking those down if you've got enough of them, even if you've only got a few. That little bit of copper in the middle there, it'll be a couple strands. Weighs more, basically that 10% weighs more than the other 90% of aluminum. Definitely worth taking a little extra time.
Which one's next? Daddy-o?
So, let's see. How many lights do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many transformers have we pulled out? 1, 2,
3. That's
4,
it.
5. So all these 4 are going to be the same, I can tell. Copper,
Yeah.
copper.
And this is
And
aluminum,
that's pretty
aluminum.
good. 4
So-
coppers. Nowadays, they're making them with all aluminum, or half aluminum, half copper. Anytime you can find double copper, whether it's 250 watt, 275 watt, 400, 1000, 1500 watt, anytime you can find double copper, it's good business.
Came across a scrap guy named Toby. Gives
Oh
us
yeah.
some
Toby, my guy, one of my contacts, hooked me up with these lights. He's got a couple jobs coming up and said I could have it all. And he doesn't even charge me. You know, I deal with a bunch of different companies and a lot of them, they want money. But I always offer. So you want to stand out from the others because there's a lot of people that want stuff for free, which I don't blame them. You know, free's always good, but I always offer to pay. And that sticks in people's minds. You know, this guy's working hard. He's willing to work. He's willing to pay. Sometimes people will just give it to you for free. You know? So, I've lucked out and this guy likes me and hooked me up. So, all right.
Yo, Dad.
We'll see you on the next video.